What is up, YouTube? I hope everyone's doing well. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Ask a Dev. Welcome to Ask a Dev, episode number 7. This is live. I'm going live pretty early. I usually don't go live at 8:30 in the morning. I'm at work a little bit early. I don't start yet until 9, but I came in a little bit early just to work on some stuff to get some things done. And I figured I should share something with you. What is up, Isaac? What's up, new scientists? Again, even at 8 in the morning. What the? Hey, what is up, Dennis? What's up, Eric? There's something that's actually been on my mind. And by the way, if you guys can you guys like this video just so more people can hear about this? What's up, Juan? What's up, Justin? Dang, what's up, Michael? Lando? Wow, there's a lot of people already. What is up, Aaron? Dang, George, what's up, guys? What's up, everyone? There's actually something I've been wanting to share with you guys for a while. Something I really wanted to tell you guys for a really long time. Not really long time. Actually, sorry. About the last 2 weeks, I wanted to tell you guys something. What is up, Zogby? But I haven't been able to tell it. And I'm going to officially tell you, I guess you could say tomorrow. Or maybe I might share it today. But there's something that I really need to tell you guys on. There's something that I really, really want to tell you. No, it's not that I'm not a developer. No, it's not that I'm fake. It's none of this stuff. But there's something that is going on the next couple of weeks that will prevent me from, posting vlogs and etc. But I hope everyone's doing good. But anyway, something I do want to share, other than the big announcement I want to give you guys, is that when you're looking for a company, because I'm literally getting, I'm blown away. What's up, Barbara? I'm blown away by how many emails I get every single day. But so many people are emailing me, telling me that they keep getting rejected. But man, that is normal. That's normal to get rejected from companies. It's normal for people to not want you. Or let's say you get hired at a company. It's normal for people to get let go your first week because maybe you weren't skilled enough yet, right? Or maybe you're just not skilled enough for that particular job, but that's totally fine. So don't let that, bring you down, guys. Don't let that pitch you down. But dang, there's a lot of people. What's up, Raphael? What's up, Jasmine? What is up, Justin, Alex? But actually, I won't be doing any more vlogs within my office. I was actually speaking to the owner yesterday, and the owner told me that they were a little surprised that my channel grew so fast. Because, usually it takes about 12 months to actually get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. If not, maybe a couple years for some people. But for some reason, I grew up to 5,000 subscribers within 4 months, which is not normal. So my boss told me, Chris, I didn't realize that you'd be growing that as fast as you were. And because, our name is all around the office and our logo, like this one right here, is on there, then I need to not vlog anymore. So this will be the last time I'm actually doing a video in my office, and everything I'll be sharing from now on will just be outside, outside over there, and outside in the front. What's up, Julius? What's up, Naga? So I won't be doing any more vlogs in my office, although I will be doing it outside when I'm out on lunch with my friends, and I'll still be sharing what I do. I might sneak in something here and there every once in a while, but officially my goal is to make sure I remain at this company for a long time, grow at this company, become a skilled developer, and maybe in the future get another job at a different company who treats developers better too. So that's something that I want to let you guys know. Now, I do have a big announcement that I want to share with you guys. There's something really big that I want to tell you, but I'm not going to tell it on live. What I want to share with you is that I actually will post that tomorrow on my vlog. I haven't been vlogging the last couple of days. It's been really, really busy, but I wish I could tell it now, but I want to share. I need to save it for the vlog, and so yeah. But anyways, does anyone have any questions other than that? Oh yeah, you know what? My boss actually told me too, Chris, no more sunglasses in the office. So I'm gonna stop wearing sunglasses in the office. Really funny. But yeah, any questions, guys? Anyone have questions? What is up? Let's see, Neil. What is up? How do you pronounce your name? Hudayfi? So New Scientist says, oh wait, Justin, Chris, what did you know when you started officially? I knew HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I knew a little bit of PHP, but that's really all I knew. I only knew about 3 or 4 out of the 10 languages they need me to know. New Scientist says you can do a logo next to a lake or some cool nature spots. Yeah, a vlog. I could do a vlog. Yeah, I could do that. How well do I know JavaScript? I know well enough to the point where I can actually create anything my boss wants me to do, which is good. When my boss took me to the office to talk about my YouTube channel, he actually told me, Chris, you're not in trouble at all. We love you here. You're doing a remarkable job. You're doing really, really good. We love what you're doing. And so I could pretty much create anything my boss wants me to do in the front end aspect, not back end. And so starting this week, now I'm getting more into more PHP projects. I'm having to really integrate with our own API, which is really hard for me because I've never done that before. I know how to do mail PHP, but integrate with an API is very different in the backend aspect. Integrating with Twitter on the front end and Instagram is easy. So it's something that I'm learning, and I really look forward to that. And so I'm learning a lot, guys. I'm really learning a lot. And Adam is doing really well. He's killing it. I think this is his last month as an intern. And so when he leaves, we're going to give him a recommendation letter, and maybe we'll look for another intern that wants to try to grow their skill too. But anyway, let's see. No problem, Anina. All right, so Rufaro says, any tips on getting remote jobs? I actually talk about that. Not necessarily remote. I talk about how to do that in regards to freelance on my last video, so check it out, man. George, can you make a simple e-commerce website without knowing any backend language? Yes. I have actually made an e-commerce website using all front-end languages. Although I had to work with a processing company to do that, where I record the memo, I calculate the tax, I calculate the shipping, I calculate exactly how much all the items cost together, the weight all together, and through that and through math and JavaScript, with jQuery actually, I was able to do all of that and make a front-end shopping cart. And when they do one transaction, and that's it. I have done that, and you can do that, but you have to know the system to do that too, though. You really have to know the system. All right, let's see. Dang, there's a lot of questions. There's a lot of people on here. All right, Ebeser is asking, when you talk about doing a one-page app, what language are you involved? HTML, CSS, it could be a lot of Ajax, just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. By the way, this is a good tip that Coding Phase gave in his last live video. I think it was the last one. You don't need to know CSS well. You need to know JavaScript well, because even me, I'm not the best at CSS. I know it pretty well, actually. But at first, all I did was Google what I need to do to make a website float to the left, float to the right, how to position, should I use absolute or relative when I do positioning. And you do all that through Google. So CSS is important, making a page into a mobile friendly website, or to a desktop or a big screen TV friendly website. But more than anything, you have to know JavaScript, and CSS you literally just Google and you're on your way. Because our intern, a backend developer intern, he came in and killing front end because he could just Google everything, even though he's never done front end. So yes. Good question, man. Zogby's asking, Chris, did you mostly learn from Treehouse within your first 3 months? Yes. Actually, believe it or not. Hey, guys, by the way, for the 44 people watching, can you guys like this video? Just so we can get more people to hear this and hear these questions too. That would be awesome. Yeah, so literally with my first month, you can ask Adam, and he knows this. My boss literally had me learning on Treehouse the whole time. They literally had me on a computer for about 3 to 4 weeks, and I was learning Treehouse nonstop. And the CEO would walk by and they'll see me on Treehouse because they just really like my passion. And so I did do Treehouse, and I still do Treehouse to this day. All right, New Scientist. He's asking, sorry for the shaky, guys. New Scientist asking, Chris, is there any shame in admitting you might not know how to do something, so research is required? No. Dude, everyone uses research. Everyone uses Google. Everyone uses Google to search for something they don't know. For example, how do I calculate all the radio buttons that have been checked on a page, calculate all together to create a memo and push that to the billing page? I Googled that. How do I calculate all the drop downs? For example, there's a drop down that says how much do you want to pay for this item. How do I calculate drop downs from other items? And I use that by collecting all the attribute memos, right? The amount attributes, collect all that through JavaScript, and when they click, it updates the total. And I use that all through Google. Everything I've done at my company today, I've been able to do because, let's say, what is that called? Stack Overflow taught me. Google taught me. You learn through Google. So you don't have to be a master at coding. Everyone knows coding. What's up, Aaron in Beta? What is up? Good question, man. But yeah, man, it's okay to say you'll research it online. That shows you're humble, and that's important. Chris, all the companies hiring FE front-end developers are asking for 3.5, even 7 years of experience for entry-level positions. Do you look for junior positions or just front-end dev positions? I look for everything. Again, my company was looking for a skilled front-end developer or a web developer, actually. But I got hired. Even if it says 7 years, apply. Even if it says 5 or 3, just still apply. You never know. When I saw my ad for this, where I work now, and when it required Drupal, PHP, MySQL, Haskell, like mustaches, like what the heck are mustaches, right? I still applied anyway, and because of that, I'm here where I am today. So even if they require all these years, still go for it. So that is a really good question, man. Good question, Robert. What is up, Selmar? Who's your favorite YouTube name, Aaron? His name is Aaron in Beta. That's a good question, Aaron. All right, what's up? Let's see. Anyone else? Any more questions? Off-topic question from Julius. Do you have a testimony to share, Chris? What kind of testimony do you want me to share? Good question. But anyway, I actually have to do a conference meeting. What time is it? I got about 10 more minutes. Testimony? What testimony you're looking for, bro? Kayla is asking, what other coding books do you recommend? Honestly, guys, I don't really read any books other than 2 books I showed you, the PHP and MySQL books. Those are the only books I've ever read. I don't even like reading in general. The only books I've ever read before the coding books was Harry Potter. I read all Harry Potter books within like a weekend. I read all the Twilight books, the Hunger Game books. Lord of the Rings is my #1 favorite book. Aragon, I forgot what it's called. It's one of my favorite books. Knight of Shannara or Sword of Shannara, something like that is one of my favorite books. But I've never really read coding books other than that. So those are the only 3 people I've read. Thank you guys for liking. Oh my gosh, I'm at 30 likes. All right, guys, can we hit 50 likes? But let's see. Okay, Robert, second question. Thanks for the answer. When you applied, did they reach out to you or did you call the company? Okay, good question, Robert. So this is what happened when I applied. I was literally doing laundry. I was at the laundromat, and actually down the street, which is really funny. I was doing it at the laundromat, and I was looking at Craigslist on my phone because I was so desperate to find a job, right? I sent the resume at work, and I sent my application resume at work at my previous job. Went to the laundromat. I was doing laundry, and I was thinking, shoot, they might not want to hire me because I have no experience. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show them exactly how hungry I am. And so I called the office and I said, hi, my name is Chris, and I'm looking to get into the web developer position. Can I please speak to the CEO? Call the CEO. The person actually transferred me to the CEO. I was shaking and nervous, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm talking to the CEO of a tech/processing company. This is insane. And then he said, Chris, you know what? I like your personality. We talked. I shared with him how passionate I am. And what he did is that he said, Chris, let's go meet the following Monday. And I told him, no. I don't want to wait till Monday. Can we speak this weekend? I don't care what time it is. I will come in and meet with you. And so he said, all right, Chris, can you do 9 a.m. or 8 a.m. on a Saturday? And I went in and I said, sure. And I went to the office. Okay, guys, this is crazy. Listen to this. So I came in at 8 a.m. to do the interview. The office was closed. And guess what? 30 minutes later, he still didn't come. 45 minutes later, he still didn't come. An hour later, the CEO didn't come. An hour and a half later, he finally arrived, right? But within the 90 minutes, I was waiting for the CEO to come in. The whole time I was contemplating, man, I just got played. I just got trolled by a CEO of a company, and I almost actually just left. But man, imagine if I didn't stay and if I was not patient, if I was not hungry, I would have left and I wouldn't probably have been a developer today because I probably would have given up, And he gave me the position on the spot. He asked me what my last salary was, and he matched my salary, saying, "All right, this is what your salary was before." And my salary before was about $32,000 a year. He said, and after 3 months, we'll bump it up if you do good. And so after 3 months, they bump it up, and I'm here, and I'm paid really, really well. I get paid way more than $32,000 a year, guys. So that's a good question. Let's see. Wow, there's 65 people on here. Oh man, you guys are amazing, man. All right. Chris, let's see. Yes, what's up, Coding Tutorials? What's up, Janet? Thank you. You inspire me too for even watching. Dylan, did you learn only from Team Treehouse? Yes, only from Team Treehouse. I've only learned from Team Treehouse. I've never tried Udemy courses. Is that what it's called? Udemy, yeah, Udemy courses. Is it okay from Rimvidas is asking, is it okay if I code only a few days a week? I work about 15 hours a day. That's fine. I only coded 1 to 2 hours a day at work. On weekends, I coded about 6 hours. That's totally fine. All right. let's see. What else is there? Xavier, why is it really hard to learn Java? Because I hate Java. Java's boring. It's a pain in the butt. I never liked Java. That's why I never want to learn Java. Ever. I never want to learn Java. It's one of the first languages I tried learning and I gave up. So that's why I don't like it. Okay, let's see. Any more questions? Dang, we're at 70 people. What's up, guys? If you guys haven't, can you guys like this video? Bump it up so more people can see this. Alex is asking, Chris, I will start soon getting my website with portfolio up and start applying for jobs. Anything that I need to know at an interview? Like, should I present my website only if they ask me? Good question. I think, yeah. Make sure you have a portfolio. Don't apply to a job until you actually have a portfolio to show people. You have to have a portfolio. All right, let's see. All right, guys, I think I'm going to head out. Is Ruby on Rails dead? No, it's not. It's not dead. It's like, a lot of people think it's dead, and I thought it was too. I spoke to my senior developer, but it's going down, but it's still popular, and there's still jobs that want people who know that language. So I think it's good to know. I actually want to go more in detail on that language within my next couple live videos that I'll do soon. So yeah, good question. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna head out. All right, last question. From, what's his name? Georgian. He's asking this. Chris, is it a bad idea to make my first portfolio website using WordPress? Yes. Yes. Do not use WordPress. I hate that. You know when we have clients that work with us and they want me to make changes to the website and they want me to make changes to WordPress websites? I hate it. I'm never able to make changes to the website because it's so much easier for me to make a change to code than to learn how to use a dashboard, the CRM. It's really annoying. Kim, PHP is going well. My company's pushing me to do more PHP, and they want me to do PHP a lot now. And because we're growing really fast, and they really like how I'm doing right now in the front end aspect, they want me to be just as skilled in the back end aspect now. And I look forward to that because the more PHP I know, the more back end languages I know. No, I haven't started with Laravel crons. The more back end languages I know, the better I can help you guys. So I really look forward to that. But all right, guys, I gotta go. I have to prepare for a meeting. I'll thank you all for the support. Everyone says JS over PHP is stupid. You need to know JavaScript and PHP. But if you're learning front end first, make sure you know JavaScript well. And if you're doing back end first, make sure you do PHP well. If you know JavaScript, you'll easily learn PHP. If you know PHP, you'll easily learn JavaScript. So that's a good question. All right, guys. It's okay to use blogs as templates for your website. But as a portfolio, no. WordPress is great for making blogs on your website because it's a pain in the butt just editing it on your own. So, yeah, no problem, Crusader Rabbits. So, I would actually, that's what I want to do. I want to start a blog on my website also, and so I might do something with PHP in that regards because it's just so much easier. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna have a separate shopping cart for my Dev's Life clothing line, and I'm actually gonna use Shopify for that because I don't have the time to design it or create it anymore. So I'm going to use Shopify and the company I'm collaborating with, and that's how it's going to go. But for my own portfolio-wise, yes, create your own website using your own code. In regards to a blog or in regards to, say you're selling stuff online, just use Shopify. It's there for a reason. It's easy. All right, guys. Yes, you can. You can do that with JS. But if you guys haven't yet, again, thank you. Like this video to help up this and more people can see it. Thank you for all the support. I love you guys so much. I gotta prepare for this meeting. I'm here at work. This is gonna be the last live video you see me do in my office, by the way, and I'm done. My favorite psalm is Psalm 119. Could you link Shopify on your site? Yes, you can link Shopify on your site. All right, guys, I gotta go. Love you all. I'll see you guys later. This is Krishan. It's Life of a Web Developer. Thank you for watching Ask a Dev episode 7, and I'm out. Bye.